Now what we're going to do is we're going to trim the data set. Okay? How do you think we can basically put this in order? Sort. Correct. Let's go sort. Oops. Where's my sort? There's my sort. Let's go for ascending. So, or actually, let's go descending, because there was some really crazy high guesses. Yeah. Yeah, I think MO, the person that was telling you 5,000 was lying. And being kind of silly. So here's what I'm going to do, is we have to be fair about this. So I say we cut off everything above 1,000. We get rid of these. Okay? What's that? I say we get rid of the ones that are 1,000. So here's what I want you to do before we do that. So this is going to be one copy. What's that? I'll show you. So let's make this sheet, we're going to call this sheet raw polished. Okay, go to the next sheet, we'll call that one trimmed. Trimmed polished. Okay. Here is a very easy way to transfer this file. Go in the very corner. So you're not even selecting any of the cells. You're going to the corner between A and 1 and hit that. Did it select everything? Okay, Control C. Control C. Go to the first one and let's hit Control V. All right. This is what happens a lot when you do analyze data. You're going to have many different versions of this. You know, but the thing is, you want to keep them all just in case you have to go back. All right. So let's get rid of these top guesses here. So everything above 1,000, how many is that? Is that 6? Yep. Okay, so we're going to select these. We're going to hit delete, shift cells up. Yeah, it changed all our colors a lot, didn't it? Which is good. That's exactly what we wanted to do. Okay, let's go to the bottom. Or actually, we can just resort this. Sort ascending. 2. Yeah. Emma, why do you always get the worst guesses? Oh, that was, who was it? Oh, yeah, that was BT. Okay. Yeah, you are in the top like 10 though. Big time. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We have to be balanced about what we do. Since we cut off 6 from the top, what do you think we have to do here? 6 from the bottom, absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go to 7 and select all those cells. Right click, delete. Shift cells up. Okay. And also, let's now sort this by grade. Okay? And this will kind of give us a way to look at this. So go to grade, under F, we're going to hit ascending. There we go. Look at that. What's that? Different tabs for which ones? Oh, you did? Okay. Well, that's okay. You can do that way. Okay. So here is what information do you think we should get? And first off, let's do this by grade. Actually, here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you explore this yourselves. But here's the kind of information I want. What do you think are I want 3 pieces of information from each thing that we're going to test. What do you think's the number one thing we want? Average, right? We are applying this to those things. You're right, BT. So we want the average. What else do you think we'd want? Median. Yes, thank you. Yes! Man, I say things and they actually sink in. This is awesome. This is great. Yes! What is the standard deviation going to tell us? The spread, yeah, totally. It'll be interesting because it's not just the average that's going to be interesting, it's how tight are those guesses. I'm thinking that even if maybe, they were off, maybe those guesses get a little tighter as you increase in age. So here's what I want you to do. Before the class ends, you've got 20 minutes to find out the average, those 3 values for the grades, and let's do gender, and how about tactile contact? All right, good luck.